Well, this is a good example. Cutting with a Sawzall. But yeah, very shallow because I was running at an angle. I still cut in to what is ductwork. Now, did they need to run it over here? Does it matter that much? Not really. But I will end up pushing this down so I can get a 2x4 on the edge through here. And I'll end up having to tape this in doing that. So what I'm going to do next, and I change the rules up all the time, but on how to do this. But what I'll do next is I'll have my cut to fit tightly in between 22.5. And let's see if we're doing the same here. Yeah, they're really tight at 22.5. No, this one I'm going to turn flat, and this one I'm going to turn on the edge. Then I'm going to put 3 screws, 3-inch screws into it, 2.5, 3-inch screws, usually 3. And we'll see where we're at that point. I may actually do 22.5 here, and then I'll measure and go this way, so we can get support on this a little bit more. You don't have to, but it's a good idea. Things that you do the customer doesn't know that's good for them. So that we're going to do a 22.5 one time, and then I'll measure from here to there after that.